Hey y'all, this is your girl Kim and I'm back again with a quick video. I wanted to come in here and talk about this pore cleanser, this pore extractor. I bought this from Aldi. I think I paid like $3 for this thing, but I really wanted to give it a try. As you do see, it comes with the microdermabrasion attachment as well as 3 suction attachments. So we're gonna give this thing a chance and see if was it worth the $3 that I paid. I'm sure it was, because you cannot buy any device for this price. Let's open it up and see what's all in it. Okay, so this is everything it comes with. As you see, this is the actual device, as you see. And it comes with 2 attachments, well actually 3. This is the large one that's actually on it, and I believe that's the small one. That's the oval size, and then that one is the microdermabrasion, as you can see, hopefully. So yeah, it comes with those 3 attachments, and it also comes with these little caps that you put on the bottom, because the bottom actually heats up. So we're gonna get into all of that, and then it comes with like it also comes with like some filters that goes on the inside, and then of course you get your manual. This thing seems really super easy to use. You just kind of pull this, you pull the top part off. You have to charge it because it didn't come charged. So yeah, you charge it. This is actually the heat button, on and off, and so on. So let's get this one started. Let's see exactly what this item do. Was it worth buying, or did I blow my money and waste my money again on some crazy stuff, y'all? So yeah, let's get it going. Let me wash my face really good and then come back and do this suction thing. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I just put some lip gloss on, and I had to put something on my face because my face gets very, very dry, especially like around my mouth. I'm very, very dry. But I did wash my face. I used Philosophy Purity to wash my face, and that's really it. So let's see how this thing works. Power button. Y'all hear the noise it makes? It's not fully charged, and when you click it a couple of times, right there is soft. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's go back to soft. Let's go to normal. Strong. Wow. Let's go back to soft. Soft. A little tug. So I'm gonna try soft because I don't know. I'm kind of nervous about this. And actually the bottom is good to warm up your pores, because to do this you have to have open pores. That's the reason why I went on and washed my face and everything. But you're supposed to put the cap on the bottom like that. Hit this button and it's supposed to heat up. Supposed to heat up at the bottom, and then I'm assuming you just put it wherever you need it to be warm at to open up those pores like that. But I don't really need that, so we're gonna turn that off, and I'm gonna go back to soft. We're gonna try this. I got my mirror right here so I can actually see what I'm doing. It actually show you in the manual how you supposed to, like the direction you're supposed to go in. It has these directions in there to show you, like on the forehead you go like this, as y'all do see. On the nose you go down. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm a little nervous, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm a little nervous because if you hold it in one spot for too long, it will bruise your face and make your face red, almost like hickeys, and I don't want that on my face at all. So we gonna see what it do, y'all. So we gonna see what kind of vibes we gonna see what if it's giving trash, or if it's giving we should keep it. So yeah, let's get started. I'm nervous. I'm gonna do it on the soft, and I'm gonna do forehead first. Okay, wait a minute. Here we go. Also, you only want to go over one area one time. I'm gonna have to do it regular. You only want to go over the area one time. You don't want to go back and forth a number of times at all. I don't really get blackheads, to be real honest, y'all. Okay, the forehead is done. As you do see, it's a little red. But again, I don't really get blackheads. Okay, now we're going to do in this area. You don't want to do your eyes because your eyes is very, very sensitive. Let's do the nose. I said you're supposed to do what? Go down on the nose. Ouch. It do kind of hurt a little bit. Ah! It got some of the lip gloss. Ouch, that kind of hurt it. Kind of brought tears to my eyes. So you kind of want to hold your skin. Damn, that kind of hurt it. So, okay, here we go. On the nose again. And again, I got it on the soft setting. It actually kind of hurt, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna cap with y'all. It actually kind of hurt. Not hurt to the point where you can't take it. And I'm doing this where I'm supposed to be going that way. As y'all see how dry my skin is, I'm very, very dry up in this area. But like I said, it doesn't hurt where you can't take it. But if your skin is sensitive, it's going to be a little much. It's going to be a little much. But as you see how red my face is right here? Wow. As you do see, my skin is super, super ashy or dry. And it most definitely red right here. And it's like a dry patch right here. Maybe I should do that part. See, like right here, I probably could go over that part again. Okay, I'm gonna try normal. I'm gonna try the normal setting. But first, let's see. Let's look at the little thing. Let me take this off so I can actually see. Oh, I got a little bit. Or was that from my mouth? You probably can't see that on the inside. As y'all probably can see, it did take off a little bit. That little white, crusty looking stuff that's on the inside. So, I mean, it worked a little bit. Just that little bit that was on my face. I don't usually get blackheads, so that's probably why it didn't really work. And as you see, there's nothing on the filter. As y'all see, nothing on the filter, so the filter is basically still clean. I want to use this on my husband because he have a lot of blackheads. But do I recommend this using, from what I could see, I think it's pretty good. So for $3, that's all I paid was $3. I think this is a go. If you were able to grab this from Aldi on that super markdown thing that they had for $3, I think you got yourself a good deal. I think this is worth $3. I think the regular price was like $12, I believe. But if you got it for the $3, it was a come up. Once it charged really good and once I get used to using it and I can use these other attachments, I guess I probably would come back. Hopefully I'll come back. So yeah, and it also comes with this charging cable as well. So yeah, I'm gonna give it another try. Once it charged up and everything, I'm gonna really see if it really, really works. My skin do feel a little bit soft, but it most definitely, my skin is dry as don't know what. So yeah, I actually like it. My face is a little red, like right there. Red right here. So yeah, my face is most definitely a little bit red. So like I said, if you are sensitive, you know, you might want to use the lower settings. Also, when you're going over your skin, do not do it like I was doing. I was doing it wrong. But I was actually trying to get that little spot right there. You're not supposed to constantly go over spots constantly. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to do one swipe, to be honest. You could do two, but you're only supposed to do one. I actually had this done professionally at a spa before, and I know that this is the technique that they use. It seemed like the lady didn't do nothing really, but this was the technique that they did. They just went over my face one time, really. Turn that back on. They just went over my face with the thing and everything, and it was actually nice, and my skin did look good. So I think after a couple of use, this thing will most definitely be worth the money. So I highly recommend, if you didn't grab this, if your store still have them, I recommend you go and you grab one of these for $3. You cannot beat it, because I think on Amazon, I believe these things are like $25, I believe. So getting it for $3 is a steal. But I think I do like this thing. I highly recommend this for $3. Yes. For even $12. Yes. I like it. I like it. So your store still have this and your skin isn't like super sensitive, and if you bruise easy, I do not recommend this, because your face will be red and you might bruise up. So I don't recommend it if you're that type. You have sensitive skin like that. But do I think it worked? Yes, I do think it worked. I most definitely feel like it cleans out the pores. My skin do feel soft. So for the $3, it's a go. It's a major go for the $3. Even for like under 12, I would say. Run back to Aldi and grab this if you have not. If your store still have them too. So leave in the comments, let me know, did you grab one of these pore cleanser devices? Did you grab one of these, or do you already have one and you're very familiar with this? If you are, leave me some comments down at the bottom. Let me know, do it really work for your skin, or was it just a complete waste of money? So yeah, leave that down in the bottom, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right.